So Hanoi, after the long day of exploring, walking and tasting, what next? Oh, you know it, it's time for the sweet stuff. I'm Mai, and today we are diving into top 5 must-try dessert that make Hanoi become unforgettable. Get ready to satisfy that sweet tooth because I know you don't want to miss this. Let's go! Alright, first up on our dessert hunt, we're doing something hot and look at that setup. This one is really something not just of Hanoian. It's known as Bánh Chuối or Banana Fritters. Just look at the golden color and the smell is incredible. It's got that lightly sweet and slightly yeasty from the batter. And this is piping hot, which is exactly what we need on a cold Hanoi evening. With this one, we usually eat this one when we're standing next to this like that. Oh my god! The outside is so light and crispy and it's almost sour when you bite it. And then immediately, you hit the soft, mushy, warm banana inside. It's the perfect texture contrast. Okay, let's talk about the flavor. The banana in here they use is sweet, but it's not overly ripe, so it still has a little bit of integrity. And the butter itself isn't too sweet, so it's balanced off the fruit perfectly. It's comforting, simple, and exactly the kind of satisfying snack you can buy on the street. So good, and the best part of the whole experience is eating this hot piece of heaven right off the fryer. This is definitely a must-try, and now it's time to find out something cooler and sweeter. Next up, Xôi Chè. We are at number 1, Bát Đàn Street, a legendary spot for xôi chè, literally known as sticky rice and sweet soup. What you are looking at is a classic combo. The bottom layer is gorgeous, yellow soy ball, super fluffy, fragrant sticky rice is rolled in mung bean powder, and then they smother with sweet soup, usually mung bean or brown sugar soup. Okay, you have to get both layers on one spoon. The chè is smooth and liquidy, but the soy is chewy, slightly dense, and still a little bit warm from the cooking process. That's a mix of cold and warm texture. That's what makes this dessert become very unique and satisfying. The flavor is very comforting. It's a traditional Vietnamese sweetness. It comes from the bean and brown sugar, not refined sugar. It's sweet, yes, but it's earthy and very satisfying. This is a kind of dessert that locals often eat at a late afternoon snack or even as a quick food meal. It just hits the difference. Seriously, this is a must-try to understand Vietnamese dessert. It's sticky, sweet, and completely satisfying. Now that our belly is full, so let's find out something light, fresh, and colorful. Now we are heading on Tô Tịch Street for Hoa Quả Dầm. Let's go! We've found Oasis. We are here on Tô Tịch Street, which is basically fruit smoothie and fruit dessert street of Hanoi. The atmosphere in here is totally different. In here is bright and buzzing. In here, I ordered the classic Hoa Quả Dầm, or known as mixed fruit. Mango, dragon fruit, watermelon, jackfruit, some kind of jelly, avocado, strawberry, all cut up fresh. We put the crushed ice on top and the magic ingredient, a drizzle of sweet and condensed milk together. Okay, the color alone is cheering me up. You get so much freshness in here. When you mix this up, the condensed milk and the fruit juice create this beautiful, slightly creamy sauce. The crunch from the ice and the juiciness from the fruit is just perfect. This is exactly what you need to clean your plate after you try a lot of heavy things, or it just as a pure treat. The fruit is naturally sweet. The condensed milk adds a rich Vietnamese touch, and the crushed ice melts slightly, making the whole thing cold and juicy. It's cold, sweet, and perfectly refreshing. Okay, if you need something to refreshing breaks after the heat or the dense street food, this is your answer. Okay, it's time to move to another local secret. And now let's go to another Vietnamese yogurt dessert next. Alright, the time for the dessert is taken over Hanoi, and especially among our young people in here. And now we in the old quarter. Go to the little corner for sữa chua Thạch lá nếp. Let's go. This one, guys, follow me. So basically, this one is just the chilled yogurt, but the star in here, the green jelly, or known as Pandan jelly. Pandan is a leaf used in Southeast Asian cooking. It gives this amazing, unique vanilla mint coconut aroma. Alright, let it in. The yogurt itself is slightly tangy, but so creamy and smooth. Then you hit the jelly, it's firm, bouncy, and though you skip just like around, the combination is fantastic. It's cold enough to give your brain freeze, but so worth it. The pandan flavor is subtle, very fresh, and it makes the whole dessert feel very tropical. It's cut through the sweetness and the tanginess of the yogurt perfectly. It's light, refreshing, and this becomes the perfect quick dessert stop in the old quarter. Whether it's so hot or cold outside, it's a kind of dessert that you will grab for instant refreshment. Okay, one more stop, and to saving the ultimate comfort dessert for the last, we finish with Bánh Trôi Tàu. So after all of the sweetness, coldness, food in here, we have to finish the Hanoi dessert tour with some ultimate comfort food for chilly evening. So this is Bánh Trôi Tàu, sweet glutinous rice ball into ginger syrup. Guys, look at this bowl. It's simple, but everything is here is perfect. You get 2 big bowls of glutinous rice floating in the sweet, spicy, and steaming hot ginger broth. This is like warm bowl of soup, but dessert. The ginger hit immediately. It's so potent, so warm. It instantly warms your throat and your chest. You can smell the earthiness from the ginger, sweetness from the molasses. Okay, the rice cake itself is soft, chewy, tender, and inside we have 2 different fillings. The big one in here is the classic black sesame paste. When you bite it, it's hot, nutty, and slightly gooey. It's got a really rich flavor. Now let's try the second one, the mung bean filling. This one is slightly less sweet than the black sesame one, and this one is also much smoother, less grainy. It feels lighter, but it's still incredible, satisfying. That's combination of warm ginger, soft cake, and these 2 different fillings. It just makes you feel like warm from inside your body, and that's why we call this one a comfort food. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. Hanoi dessert food, it's just like something vibrant and savory food. And I hope you guys feel and inspired. Alright, so what food should I try next? Let me know in the comments. Bye for now.